Hi, any plans on getting married?
Better some more, fuck. I'ma go ahead and switch this month. Underdog in this shit, I'm right. I'm insane, you saying I'm right. Gonna go pop and jump the gun. I'ma go Phoenix like the Suns. I'ma go down and run it up. It ain't over till it's done. Kick this bitch just like a punt. What you need it, yeah. Buy it, then receive it, yeah. Give it, then receive it.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate everybody coming back. It really means a lot to me. So this is the second part from the Q&A. Because the last video I posted that I was gonna do a Q&A.
I'm gonna be doing a Q&A video, so you guys wanna leave any questions down in the comments.
And a lot of people commented, I don't know, some weird questions, but I don't know if I'm gonna answer, but we'll see. Alright guys, question number 1. Bro, what's your model list and how much are the tunes that you got? Alright, so my model list, let's start from the charge pipes, intercooler, blow-up valve, upgraded turbo, tune, the NGK, spark plugs, Cali's downpipe, Roush axle backs, tire setups, Mickey Thompson tires, 305s rear, spoiler in the back. I actually don't really mention that a lot. I forget about it, but I have lowering springs. They're the Ibach, the Sportline, I believe. I forgot what they're called, but yeah, I got that. The Cervini grilled delete, the top and bottom brake calipers, peppers. I think that's it. I know I'm missing a couple. I know I am. Oh, my Roush intake. And then for the tune I got was from PD Tuning. It was I got the Lifetime with the purple tune, and it came out to like almost 400, I believe. Just a tune by itself. You still need to buy the access port with that, or you could buy the bundle with the access port and the tunes. Do you have a blowout valve in the car? And yes, I do. I have a Turbo Smart blowout valve. I will put a picture right now. That's a blowout valve that I got. That was like the second mod I got to my car. It's good. It's by Turbo Smart. It's pretty good quality and sounds good too. So yeah, it's pretty good. What up, bro? My question is it okay to upgrade my turbo without upgrading my engine internals? And what turbo do you recommend? Thanks, man. It's good to upgrade your internals if you're gonna go bigger. That way it could hold the power. But it's not. You don't have to, because I didn't really upgrade my internals. I just kept the stock. What I heard you should do, I haven't had time, but I am gonna do it ASAP. It's upgrading your fuel sensor, because they say if you're doing a lot of power and if you don't change that it could cause an EcoBoom. But I haven't had time, so hopefully this week I'll order it. That way nothing happens to my car, because if it does, let's knock the wood. That's not wood. But yeah, you don't have to change anything from the internals if you don't want to. It's up to you. Like, you know, if you can go bigger, it's better to change it, but you don't really have to. But it's up to you, like I said. Yeah, just make sure you change the sensor from the fuel pressure and you should be okay. Do you think I should build my 10-speed EcoBoost engine and see I can push 600 to 700 horsepower? Because I seen Met Performance done it a couple of years ago. I mean, you can push it, but I'm not sure if you want to do it to your stock block. Maybe upgrading it could do that. Get bigger turbo and changing almost everything in your engine. There's not that many EcoBoosts out there with 600-700 horsepower, but that would be badass though. But with the stock block, nah, I'm good with the high 4s, low 5s. I'm good with that. That's it. That's my max on this car. Because the 10-speed is fast. But yeah, it's up to you, like I said. I also wanted to know if you're gonna rep the Mustang. Any future plans, because I'm excited to see more races and potential out of that 4-cylinder. I don't think I'm gonna rep my car. I actually like the color like this. More mods for sure. Not gonna spoil it what it is, but more mods for sure. And races, you guys will soon. I got a lineup already, so soon. How much added power and torque with the upgraded turbo with pump gas? So from the pump gas 91. My horsepower that I read on the access port was at 350 with a torque of 433. I haven't actually taken to the dyno yet because I haven't had time. Like I said, I've been working a lot, but pretty soon I'm gonna take it to the dyno and see how much it does with the E30 tune. E30 tune, it's a mixture of E85 with the 91 mixed together. For some people that don't know. All right, next question. I'm hungry. Me too, bro. Me too. Some Kintaco or what? Damn, bro. Or some Avenue 26. A couple days ago, I went to the car meet. Then after the car meet, went to Avenue 26. It's in LA. Some street tacos, bruh. It was fire. I know a lot of people know Avenue 26, and the tacos are good and they're cheap. $1 for a taco, and then horchata is like $2, but it's fire. Just throwing a little because you say you're hungry, so Avenue 26 is where it is. King Taco too, but Avenue 26 for street tacos. Segunda pregunta. Oh yeah, guys, I also speak Spanish. just in case some people don't know, because some people actually leave comments. They're like, hey, sabes como this and that. I'm like, sí, and I reply, I know how to read it and speak it, I just don't like spelling it. It's kind of like,
No mames, güey.
Ever thought about installing a methanol injection on the Eco? Maybe in the future, not right now. Right now I'm just focused on changing my fuel pump and my injectors. That way I could just run full 85. But methanol, I don't know. Maybe later on, you know, like in the future. We'll see. What's your goal for YouTube? Alright, so my goal for YouTube is just to push out more videos, like, you know, like more content on the EcoBoost. So I love making videos. I love when people like the videos I make, because if people don't like it, then, you know, what's the point of it? Move up, you know, like grow, meet new people about cars, about like lifestyle, you know, get bigger audience. Yeah, that's my future, just to move up and enjoy YouTube, enjoy creating videos, because I really do enjoy making videos for you guys, random videos, you know. But yeah, I like it, so hopefully you guys like it too. So if you do, thank you guys. Go smash that like. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's my future for YouTube. Just, you know, move up, do better videos, create more content for you guys, and yeah, that's my future for YouTube. Why Afford Ecoboost and not a GT? So I get that question asked a lot. People hating on the Ecoboost. It's like crazy, guys. Like, you guys don't know how much hate I get for showing off my EcoBoost to the GT owner. Like I tell everybody with the same question. At the moment when I was getting my Mustang, I couldn't really afford a GT. It was like too expensive. I saw the EcoBoost and they gave me a reasonable price. Payments weren't that high. I was looking at GTs. I was even looking at older GTs, like a 13, 14, that body style, the S197s. They didn't have any, so the only one for my budget was the EcoBoost. So this one popped out. I really liked the color, the inside, because back then, I was driving, it was a 04 Camry. So imagine, guys, driving an 04 Camry or this. Yeah, so I couldn't afford a GT back then, so it was just too ridiculous of a price. Like I said, work what you got. Don't let people bring you down just because you don't have a GT or V8. But yeah, guys, that's why I have an EcoBoost and not a GT. Walmart or Target? I actually shop at Target more than Walmart, but Walmart's cheaper, so I'm gonna go with Walmart. Who's your best friend? Everybody's my best friend. My friends, my homies, my girlfriend, my car, family. Everybody's my best friend. The GT owners are my best friend. The V8 owners. Yeah, guys, everybody's my best friend. What maintenance do you do to prolong the health of the engine? So how I take care of my engine is putting the best oil in the car. Also with the gas, make sure you put that good gas. Don't put that 87 at Arco, because that shit was, you know, that's gonna mess up your car. Put like that 91 with 76. That's my gas station. Chevron, Shell, Mobil's pretty good. Don't overrun it, because these cars, remember I said before, these cars don't like the heat. So if you put too much heat in the engine, it's gonna F up. So, but yeah, that's how I keep my car good and healthy. I'm planning to get an EcoBoost soon. Do you think I'll be better off with the new EcoBoost or used? It's up to you. The new ones will cost you a little bit more, but I think it's better if you get the new ones instead of the old ones, because you don't know what people have done to your car. You don't know if they like beat the crap out of it. So I think just get a new one. Better. 10 speed. Ooh, fire. 10 speed. You'll be good. Especially the new ones. They look clean. But yeah, I think you should go with the new one, in my opinion. Hi, any plans on getting married?
Any plans on getting married?
Of course, in the future. She knows already. My girlfriend knows this already. So we're first gonna move out and then, you know, future get married. But yeah, in the future. Hey, Freddy likes chicken. Oh man, I know he does. He likes chicken. Which intercooler do you recommend for the EcoBoost? I have the Mishimoto intercooler, and it's really good. But I know other people have different ones. But I don't really know about the other ones. All I know is about the Mishimoto intercooler, and it's really great. It works. It helps the car better. It keeps it cool too. So you should look up for the Mishimoto intercooler, and I think it's really good. You could check it out. What's your next mod? All right. So first thing I want to do too is changing my lip, the bottom lip. I want to change it as soon as possible. I seen those Cervini ones. Oh my gosh, it looks badass. And also probably changing the bottom blinky lights on the bottom. I seen the white ones. It's like all white, just like the headlights. And then my other mod too, my fuel pump and injectors, and maybe a throttle body, but we'll see. But yeah, those are my next mods I want to do, but we'll see. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it here. Thank you guys so much for leaving the questions. It was fun, it was funny, it was awkward. Some of them were awkward that I didn't post it, but they were just weird. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much, it means a lot. I also got more content coming soon, some 1320s, just but yeah guys, I got more content coming soon, like I said. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button guys. And thank you guys again so much, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys. Peace out guys. Oh yeah, and also go Dodgers baby. Peace out guys.
Hey girl, since I was a kid I knew I always had to make sense.